up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl, Where Secrets Connect, with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell a mama and them, they partners and them, because we the lady over here. And without further ado, yeah, I have 2 packages that came in, and I'm just gonna share it with y'all. Before we get started, I know we are unbigging our backs, but y'all know I'm always going to share when I come across a good little snackety snack. Y'all know I like chips. I ain't been on the chip hype like I usually be, because I've been, just trying to watch what I'm eating and just being conscious of what's going on in my body. But I still treat myself from time to time. Y'all know I love pickles, so y'all be on the lookout for these. If you ever see these, where I get these from? I think Speedway. Doritos, the tangy pickle ones. If you like pickles, baby, they taste good. They remind me of the Lay's dill pickle chips, so definitely a good pick. I ate some. I was like, I'm gonna put the rest away, so when I get my Subway sandwich, I'll eat the rest. And let's see. Y'all know we at the nail table, and let me see. Sometimes they be okay. So y'all, these, let me see, where are these from? These are from the Expressway. Oh, these got some weight to them. These supposed to be gold stainless steel hoop earrings. They're a little heavy, because I don't like wearing too heavy earrings in my ears. They got some weight to them though. And they just nice size, medium size hoop, gold hoop. Yeah, I thought these was cute. And I want to say, I forgot how much these was, but yeah. Got that. Let me see, what's this? Y'all know I had ordered stuff for when I graduate, y'all, because y'all know I graduate around this time next year. So I'm just getting stuff so I don't have to wait, because y'all know, like, Christmas time, people gonna be ordering stuff, and because I want my stuff on time. And then y'all purchased this little it's like a little what is this, like a Winnie the Pooh necklace. It's supposed to be stainless steel, and it's like sitting on this like charm thing. It's so cute. So I got this in gold, because they had it in silver, but then when they had it in gold, it kept going out of stock. So I'm like, I'm gonna catch you one day in stock. I'm gonna catch you. And then here goes the last package. Y'all, I am sweating. I just came in from outside, y'all. It's like 90 something degrees. I only went outside because I had to go pick up my prescriptions, because I was out of my MS medicine prescriptions and stuff, and my diabetes medicine, so I had to go get it, y'all. Once I got outside, I started sweating. I said, oh wee. So I wanted to do this video, and as soon as I'm done, I'm about to go hot myself in the tub. Here we go, a little Kurt Geiger. And now some of you may ask, really? Come on now, Kurt Geiger's affordable, and why you just don't? Y'all know I got a real Kurt Geiger bag. That thing was like two something, that furry bag I got. So yeah, Kurt Geiger is affordable, but if I could get it for the low, I'm getting it for the low. So this is supposed to be the extra large Kurt Geiger Kensington bag, and I thought it was so cute. It's like the gunmetal type silver, the eagle head with the gunmetal stones, and the gunmetal purse chain. And I just thought it was cute. And back here it has Kurt Geiger, the bottom, the back, and I got this big size just so I could fit more stuff in there. And I like this purse. It's definitely giving me Chanel vibe, especially with the extra large Chanel flat bags, or like the denim ones or the real big ones. So this is definitely something to carry. Y'all know I'm 5'10", plus size, so I like to, carry stuff that's well proportionate. Y'all know I like to carry my little purses too, but I'm like, let me go back to the drawing board, because I used to always carry big purses, and then I was like, ew, I would never carry a small purse. And now here I am carrying a small purse, and I'm like, ew, I'll never go back to a big purse. So now it's just like kind of like equalizing you know, both playing fields. So I said, let me get this. And I want to say this was like $35, which is compared to the $200 to $400 to, you know, yeah, $200 to $400 after you pay your taxes that you would pay for this, whether it's on the Kurt Geiger website, Dillard's, Nordstrom's, and all that other stuff, Nordstrom Rack, where you can get Kurt Geiger stuff. But I thought this was very affordable. It has the magnetic closure. And y'all, it's very spacious. And I need this, you know, to be able to carry everything. And it has the double side where you could carry on both sides. And yeah, y'all, I just thought this was definitely a good investment. And yeah, just a cute little purse, a little something. You could definitely carry it on the shoulder or crossbody. I'm probably just going to carry it on the shoulder. But yeah, y'all, this is my little miniature haul that I wanted to show y'all. I definitely wanted to just unbig bag, but no, I wanted to unbox this bag just to show y'all this beauty. I love this purse. This definitely is awesome, and the fact that it has the Kurt Geiger logo on the back is perfect. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.